Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and I had a box. I cracked it open.
What's in the box?
And I got a fragrance. It's the new Guess Seductive Desire. Let's check it out. All right, so I'm back in, and this is the new.
Another one.
Well, it's not really new. I think it came out at the beginning of this year, 2026, and Guess Seductive Desire. Now, the Guess Seductive line, it's a nice line. I think they have like maybe 4 other ones. They have red, blue, noir, and the original, which is Guess Homme. So let's check into this, see which one, how this one fits in that group of the rest of them. I saw this, I was like, oh man, I didn't know they even had no new one come out. So why not? Uh-oh. All right, so here we go. Regular box from the Guess Desire. It's just a regular box. This is the 50 milliliter box. The front has all the name and everything on it. The bottom has a QR code, and then the sides have nothing. The back has a little bit of writing information where the address and small things like that. All right, so regular box is nothing crazy. And here's the bottle. Oh, look at that. That's kind of nice. Nice and reflective, and it's a finger magnet. Wow. Kind of reminds me of like the MAC makeup presentation. It looks like that. I've seen this on female's desk or something. But yeah, pretty cool. The other ones all have the same black top except for the red. I think the red has like a red top, and the blue, no, I think the blue has a red top, black top on. But anyway, we're talking about the Desire. Let's go ahead and get a spray. Where's my spray strips? Let's go ahead and get a spray. Straighten out that sprayer. Let's see. Oh, spray is pretty nice too. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. This is kind of it's kind of fruity and fresh and very sweet. It's actually making my mouth water a little bit. This is nice. It kind of reminds me of something. Like it smells like it has orange peelings and zesty, very zesty kind of fragrance. Man, this is nice. Okay, let me get the notes, and this is nice though. But it's like I said, it's a bright, fresh, zesty kind of fragrance, like orange, lemon, maybe bergamot. It's just very, really fresh and sweet and zesty. I'll get the notes.
A few inches later.
All right, so I got the notes here, and these notes are what I actually smell. I was thinking it was like a really zesty, fruity kind of vibe in the front, and that's the first note is pineapple. That's what I was tasting. It was making my mouth water a little bit. But top notes are pineapple, orange, blackcurrant, and elemi. Then in the middle notes there is verbena, lavender, sage, and coriander. Then in the base notes we have vanilla, patchouli, amber, resins, ladamum, and moss. So yeah, smells really, really good. I can't wait to try this out. I think this will probably be really a good transitional season fragrance, like fall and spring, but it may be strong enough to wear in the I'm gonna go ahead and try it on my skin. Maybe strong enough to wear in the wintertime also. It may be a little bit too heavy for the summertime, because that sweetness is really sweet. Like if it's over 100 degrees, this can feel kind of sticky and heavy. So yeah. Oh man, and actually on my skin, it feels like a little bit of like a little bit incense coming off of it too. What is this supposed to be similar to? This smells good. If you see it in your local store, if you're looking for a cheap pickup, something good to wear, that's what it reminds me of. Ultra Zest, Amen. Ultra Zest. I had a sample of it. I don't have the actual bottle, but then I do have Paco Rabanne's I think it's Ultra, is it Ultra Male Red or something like that? Yeah, I think it's Ultra Male Red. That smells similar to the Ultra Zest, and man, yeah, that's what it is. It smells similar to that. Okay, so yeah, if you have a chance, you want looking for something cheap to pick up, this is a good one. And I went and grabbed the other ones too. This these are these are the original ones. All of these kind of smell like something. Now the difference between this one is the newer Ohm, where it has like a matted top here. This is the older Ohm, where it has a glossy one. This one smells like La Nuit, similar to La Nuit, and also similar to Rogue Man by Rihanna. This is supposed to be the same scent, but this one starts off really, really synthetic in the beginning, and it's almost off-putting when you first spray it on. But as you have it on a little bit longer, it gets closer to what this smells like. But the old version of it, much better. That's the original Ohm. And then the next one is the blue. This one, I don't have a top for this one. I got a sample unit. But this one smells like La Nuit's YSL Blue Electrique. And man, this one is a fun one to wear because it has that La Nuit vibe, but it's freshened up. So it's like Blue Electric. So yeah, that's a good one. If you have it, if you don't have it already, you can pick that one up. And then Noir. Noir is the black bottle, matted black all the way around. And this one, what did this one smell like? Oh man, this one has a better sprayer. This one smells like, what is that? Is that 1 million? That's 1 million. The original 1 million, not any of the offsprings of it. But yeah, smells really, really good. That's a good one too. And then Red. Oh man, this one, I got a big bottle of this one because when I was going to get the 50 milliliter, which I really wanted because I wanted all of them to be the same, the 100 milliliter was the same price as the 50 milliliter. So I got it. And look at that sprayer. That sprayer is crazy nice. Oh man, this one smells so good. This one smells really close to Boss Bottle, the original Boss Bottle, not the EDP one, not the one that everybody goes crazy about, but the classic one that everybody has, that well, everybody should have, the one that has that apple and cinnamon kind of vibe. Yeah, that's what this one smells like. This is a really good one. Oh man. But yeah, anyway, the star of the show though is the new one, Seductive Desire. There's the bottle, there's the top, and yeah, I think I'm gonna get some good wear out of this. All right, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me, checking out the new Guess Seductive Desire. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.